Welcome back to the channel everyone. If you love extreme performance, cutting-edge technology, and cars that look like they came straight out of the future, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most important supercars Lamborghini has ever built. This is the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto, a V12 hybrid that doesn't just replace the Aventador, but completely redefines what a modern Lamborghini is supposed to be. The moment you lay eyes on the Lamborghini Revuelto, it's clear this is not a gentle evolution. This car is a bold statement. Sharp lines, aggressive angles, and that unmistakable Lamborghini DNA are all here, but everything looks more futuristic and more technical. The Y-shaped LED daytime running lights at the front instantly grab attention, giving the Revuelto a sharp, predatory face. The low nose, wide stance, and deep air channels are not just for show. Every surface has been sculpted for aerodynamic efficiency and cooling. From the side, the Revuelto looks dramatic and powerful. The long, low profile reminds you that a massive V12 still lives behind the cabin. The doors open in classic Lamborghini scissor style, instantly reminding everyone that this is a true flagship supercar. Large air intakes feed both the engine and the hybrid system, while the sharp character lines run cleanly from front to rear, giving the car a sense of motion even when it's standing still. At the rear, the design becomes even more extreme. The hexagonal exhaust outlets, high-mounted taillights, and aggressive diffuser make the Revuelto look like a race car for the road. The engine cover showcases the V12 underneath, a proud reminder that despite going hybrid, Lamborghini has not abandoned its soul. Everything about the rear screams performance, speed, and drama. Step inside the Lamborghini Revuelto, and you'll find a cockpit that feels like a fighter jet mixed with a luxury supercar. The cabin is more digital and more driver-focused than any Lamborghini before it. There are three main screens, one for the driver, one for the center infotainment, and even a dedicated screen for the passenger. The driver display is fully digital and highly customizable, showing performance data, navigation, hybrid system information, and drive modes. The center touchscreen controls most of the vehicle's functions, including climate, media, and driving settings. Lamborghini has redesigned the interface to be faster and more intuitive, while still keeping physical switches for the most important controls. The famous start button remains covered by a red flip-up cover, adding that dramatic moment every time you fire up the car. Materials inside the Revuelto are exactly what you'd expect from a Lamborghini flagship. Premium leather, alcantara, carbon fiber, and aluminum are used throughout the cabin. The seats are low, supportive, and designed to keep you planted during aggressive driving. Despite being a hardcore supercar, the Revuelto is surprisingly comfortable, offering better visibility, improved ergonomics, and more usable storage than previous models. Now let's talk about what truly makes the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto special. Under the hood, or more accurately behind the driver, is an all-new naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine. This engine alone produces over 800 horsepower and revs all the way to around 9,500 revolutions per minute. It's one of the highest revving V12 engines ever put into a production car, and it sounds absolutely insane. But this time, the V12 is not working alone. The Revuelto is Lamborghini's first high-performance electrified vehicle, meaning it combines the V12 with three electric motors. Two electric motors are mounted on the front axle, providing instant torque and enabling all-wheel drive, while a third motor is integrated into the new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission at the rear. When you combine the V12 engine with the electric motors, total system output jumps to over 1,000 horsepower. That's right, a 4-digit horsepower Lamborghini. This insane power allows the Revuelto to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 2.5 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 217 miles per hour. The electric motors fill in torque at low speeds, making acceleration immediate and brutal, while the V12 delivers that classic high-revving Lamborghini drama at higher speeds. The hybrid system is powered by a lithium-ion battery pack mounted in the center tunnel. This placement helps keep the center of gravity low and improves weight distribution. The battery can be charged through regenerative braking, the engine itself, or via a plug-in charging port. In full electric mode, the Revuelto can drive short distances silently, making it possible to leave your neighborhood early in the morning without waking everyone up. But let's be honest, the real magic happens when the V12 is screaming behind you. Lamborghini has completely redesigned the chassis for the Revuelto. It features an all-new carbon fiber monocoque that is lighter and significantly stiffer than the Aventador's structure. This improves handling, stability, and safety, while also reducing overall weight. Despite the added hybrid components, the Revuelto manages to stay relatively light for a car of this performance level. The suspension system is advanced and highly adaptive, offering different settings depending on the selected drive mode. Whether you're cruising comfortably on the highway or attacking a race track, the Revuelto adjusts itself to deliver maximum performance and control. Rear-wheel steering is also included, improving agility at low speeds and stability at high speeds. Braking performance is handled by massive carbon ceramic brakes, providing incredible stopping power even after repeated hard use. The braking system works seamlessly with the hybrid setup, blending regenerative braking with traditional friction braking for optimal efficiency and feel. Driving modes in the Revuelto allow you to tailor the car's personality to your mood. There are modes focused on efficiency and electric driving, as well as aggressive performance modes that unleash the full potential of the V12 and electric motors. Each mode changes throttle response, suspension stiffness, steering feel, exhaust sound, and even how the hybrid system delivers power. On the road, the Lamborghini Revuelto feels sharper, faster, and more refined than any previous V12 Lamborghini. The electric motors make the car feel instantly responsive, while the V12 delivers an emotional experience that few cars on the planet can match. The sound is raw, loud, and thrilling, reminding you that this is still a true Lamborghini at heart. In terms of technology and safety, the Revuelto is the most advanced Lamborghini ever built. It includes modern driver assistance features, improved connectivity, and advanced vehicle monitoring systems. While it's still very much a driver-focused supercar, Lamborghini has made it more usable and approachable for everyday driving. The 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto represents a turning point for the brand. It proves that electrification doesn't have to mean sacrificing emotion, sound, or performance. Instead, Lamborghini has used hybrid technology to enhance everything that makes a Lamborghini special. More power, faster acceleration, better handling, and even improved efficiency, all wrapped in a jaw-dropping design. This car is not just the successor to the Aventador. It's the foundation for Lamborghini's future. A future where V12 engines can still exist, where driving excitement remains the top priority, and where innovation pushes performance to levels we once thought were impossible. So that's our deep dive into the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto, the V12 hybrid supercar that redefines what a modern Lamborghini can be. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Would you take the Revuelto over its rivals, or do you still prefer the old-school V12 Lamborghinis? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.